to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 23 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge. Hi, can I get a cheeseburger with fries and a Coke, please?
Sure thing. Would you like to make that a meal with a drink and a side?
Yeah, I'll just take the meal.
Great. And what kind of drink would you like?
Just a Coke, please.
All right, and what size would you like?
Medium, please.
All right, that'll be $7.50. Please drive around to the first window to pay and pick up your order.
Thanks.
Here you go.
Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. I ordered a cheeseburger with fries and a Coke, but I got a chicken sandwich with onion rings and a Sprite.
Oh no, I'm so sorry about that. Let me take a look at your order and see what happened.
Okay, thanks.
I'm so sorry, it looks like there was a mix-up with your order. We'll make you a new one right away.
All right, thanks. I appreciate it.
No problem. I'll just need to see your receipt so we can get you the right items.
Sure, please.
Thank you. We'll have your new order ready in just a few minutes. Is there anything else I can get for you while you wait?
No, that's okay. Thank you for fixing my order.
Of course. We want to make sure our customers are satisfied. Here's your new order. I double-checked it to make sure everything is correct this time.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Enjoy your meal.
Will do. Thanks again. Hi, can I get a cheeseburger with fries and a Coke, please?
Sure thing. Would you like to make that a meal with a drink and a side?
Yeah, I'll just take the meal.
Great. And what kind of drink would you like?
Just a Coke, please.
All right, and what size would you like?
Medium, please.
All right, that'll be $7.50. Please drive around to the first window to pay and pick up your order.
Thanks.
Here you go.
Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. I ordered a cheeseburger with fries and a Coke, but I got a chicken sandwich with onion rings and a Sprite.
Oh no, I'm so sorry about that. Let me take a look at your order and see what happened.
Okay, thanks.
I'm so sorry, it looks like there was a mix-up with your order. We'll make you a new one right away.
All right, thanks. I appreciate it.
No problem. I'll just need to see your receipt so we can get you the right items.
Sure, please.
Thank you. We'll have your new order ready in just a few minutes. Is there anything else I can get for you while you wait?
No, that's okay. Thank you for fixing my order.
Of course. We want to make sure our customers are satisfied. Here's your new order. I double-checked it to make sure everything is correct this time.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Enjoy your meal.
Will do. Thanks again. Hi there. Welcome to our hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi. Yes, I have a reservation under the name of Smith.
Great. Let me check that for you. Yes, here it is. You're staying with us for 4 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right. Person 1, perfect. And how many people will be staying with you? It's just me, but I have a lot of luggage with me.
Not a problem at all. We'll be happy to assist you with your luggage. Can you tell me how many bags you have?
I have 4 bags and 2 carry-ons.
All right, that's quite a bit. We can have someone bring those up to your room for you. I'll just need to see your ID and a credit card to put on file for incidentals.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. All right, everything seems to be in order. Your room is on the 6th floor, and the elevators are just over there on the right. You'll need to use your room key to access them.
Thank you so much for your help. Can you also give me a map of the area and some recommendations for things to do and places to eat?
Absolutely. Here's a map of the area, and we have a concierge desk just over there on the left that can help you with any recommendations you might need. We also have a restaurant in the hotel that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and there are plenty of other great dining options within walking distance.
That's great. Thanks so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay with us, and let us know if there's anything else we can do to make your stay more comfortable. Hi there. Welcome to our hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi. Yes, I have a reservation under the name of Smith.
Great. Let me check that for you. Yes, here it is. You're staying with us for 4 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right. Person 1, perfect. And how many people will be staying with you? It's just me, but I have a lot of luggage with me.
Not a problem at all. We'll be happy to assist you with your luggage. Can you tell me how many bags you have?
I have 4 bags and 2 carry-ons.
All right, that's quite a bit. We can have someone bring those up to your room for you. I'll just need to see your ID and a credit card to put on file for incidentals.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. All right, everything seems to be in order. Your room is on the 6th floor, and the elevators are just over there on the right. You'll need to use your room key to access them.
Thank you so much for your help. Can you also give me a map of the area and some recommendations for things to do and places to eat?
Absolutely. Here's a map of the area, and we have a concierge desk just over there on the left that can help you with any recommendations you might need. We also have a restaurant in the hotel that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and there are plenty of other great dining options within walking distance.
That's great. Thanks so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay with us, and let us know if there's anything else we can do to make your stay more comfortable. Hey, I was thinking about Grandma's birthday coming up next month. Do you want to help me organize a party for her?
Absolutely. What were you thinking?
I was thinking of having a small gathering at her house with just close family and a few friends. Nothing too fancy, just something to celebrate her special day.
That sounds like a great idea. What kind of decorations were you thinking of?
I was thinking of keeping it simple and just getting some balloons and a birthday banner. Maybe we can also get her a small gift, like some flowers or a cake.
That's a good idea. What about food? Are we cooking or ordering out?
I was thinking of ordering in some food. Grandma loves Italian, so I was thinking of getting some pizza and pasta. And maybe some appetizers and salads too.
That sounds perfect. How about music? Do you want to make a playlist or should we hire a DJ?
I was thinking of making a playlist of all of Grandma's favorite songs. I think that would mean a lot to her.
I agree. That would be a really nice touch. Do you want to invite anyone else?
Just a few close friends and family. Maybe Grandma's neighbors and some of her church friends too.
Okay, I can help you with the invitations. When were you thinking of having the party?
Grandma's actual birthday is on a Tuesday, so I was thinking of having the party on the following Saturday. That way, people won't have to rush to come straight from work.
That's a good idea. Let's make sure we coordinate with everyone to make sure they can make it. Do you need any help setting up on the day of the party?
That would be great. I'll let you know what time we need to be there. Thanks so much for helping me with this.
Of course. Grandma deserves a special celebration for her birthday. I'm glad we can make it happen.
Hey, I was thinking about Grandma's birthday coming up next month. Do you want to help me organize a party for her?
Absolutely. What were you thinking?
I was thinking of having a small gathering at her house with just close family and a few friends. Nothing too fancy, just something to celebrate her special day.
That sounds like a great idea. What kind of decorations were you thinking of?
I was thinking of keeping it simple and just getting some balloons and a birthday banner. Maybe we can also get her a small gift, like some flowers or a cake.
That's a good idea. What about food? Are we cooking or ordering out?
I was thinking of ordering in some food. Grandma loves Italian, so I was thinking of getting some pizza and pasta. And maybe some appetizers and salads too.
That sounds perfect. How about music? Do you want to make a playlist or should we hire a DJ?
I was thinking of making a playlist of all of Grandma's favorite songs. I think that would mean a lot to her.
I agree. That would be a really nice touch. Do you want to invite anyone else?
Just a few close friends and family. Maybe Grandma's neighbors and some of her church friends too.
Okay, I can help you with the invitations. When were you thinking of having the party?
Grandma's actual birthday is on a Tuesday, so I was thinking of having the party on the following Saturday. That way, people won't have to rush to come straight from work.
That's a good idea. Let's make sure we coordinate with everyone to make sure they can make it. Do you need any help setting up on the day of the party?
That would be great. I'll let you know what time we need to be there. Thanks so much for helping me with this.
Of course. Grandma deserves a special celebration for her birthday. I'm glad we can make it happen.
Hey, do you want to learn how to hang a picture on the wall?
Sure, that would be great. I've never done it before.
No problem, it's actually pretty easy. First, you'll need a few supplies: a picture hook, a hammer, a measuring tape, and a pencil.
Okay, got it. What do I do first?
First, you'll need to figure out where you want to hang the picture. Once you've decided, use the measuring tape to measure the distance from the floor to where you want to hang the picture. Then, mark the spot on the wall with the pencil.
Okay, I think I can do that.
Great. Next, you'll need to figure out where to put the picture hook. To do this, measure the width of the picture and divide it in half. Then, measure that distance from the center point you marked on the wall and make another mark with the pencil. This is where you'll put the picture hook.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Now it's time to hammer in the picture hook. Hold the hook up to the mark you made on the wall and use the hammer to gently tap it in place.
Got it. Now what?
Now you can hang the picture on the hook. Make sure it's level and adjust it if necessary.
Wow, that was easier than I thought it would be. Thanks for showing me how to do it.
No problem. It's a handy skill to have, especially if you like to decorate your home with pictures and artwork. Hey, do you want to learn how to hang a picture on the wall?
Sure, that would be great. I've never done it before.
No problem, it's actually pretty easy. First, you'll need a few supplies: a picture hook, a hammer, a measuring tape, and a pencil.
Okay, got it. What do I do first?
First, you'll need to figure out where you want to hang the picture. Once you've decided, use the measuring tape to measure the distance from the floor to where you want to hang the picture. Then, mark the spot on the wall with the pencil.
Okay, I think I can do that.
Great. Next, you'll need to figure out where to put the picture hook. To do this, measure the width of the picture and divide it in half. Then, measure that distance from the center point you marked on the wall and make another mark with the pencil. This is where you'll put the picture hook.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Now it's time to hammer in the picture hook. Hold the hook up to the mark you made on the wall and use the hammer to gently tap it in place.
Got it. Now what?
Now you can hang the picture on the hook. Make sure it's level and adjust it if necessary.
Wow, that was easier than I thought it would be. Thanks for showing me how to do it.
No problem. It's a handy skill to have, especially if you like to decorate your home with pictures and artwork. Excuse me, do you know how to get to the library from here?
Sure, it's just a few blocks away. You'll want to head down Main Street for 2 blocks and then turn left on Elm Street. The library will be on your right.
Thank you. I'm new to the area and I've been having a tough time navigating.
No problem. It can be tricky at first. Is there anything else you need help finding?
Actually, now that you mention it, I was wondering if there are any good coffee shops around here?
There are a few good ones. There's a Starbucks just around the corner, but if you're looking for something more local, you might want to try the Daily Grind. It's a cute little cafe on Main Street.
That sounds perfect. Thanks for the recommendation. Do you know what their hours are?
I believe they're open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, and from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekends. But you might want to double check to be sure.
Okay, thanks. I really appreciate your help.
No problem at all. I remember what it's like to be new in town. If you need any more help or recommendations, just let me know.
Thanks. Actually, now that you mention it, do you know of any good parks around here?
Sure. There's a nice park just a few blocks from here called Central Park. It has a playground, some walking trails, and a pond with ducks. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoors.
That sounds perfect. I'll have to check it out. Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. Have a great day.
Excuse me, do you know how to get to the library from here?
Sure, it's just a few blocks away. You'll want to head down Main Street for 2 blocks and then turn left on Elm Street. The library will be on your right.
Thank you. I'm new to the area and I've been having a tough time navigating.
No problem. It can be tricky at first. Is there anything else you need help finding?
Actually, now that you mention it, I was wondering if there are any good coffee shops around here?
There are a few good ones. There's a Starbucks just around the corner, but if you're looking for something more local, you might want to try the Daily Grind. It's a cute little cafe on Main Street.
That sounds perfect. Thanks for the recommendation. Do you know what their hours are?
I believe they're open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, and from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekends. But you might want to double check to be sure.
Okay, thanks. I really appreciate your help.
No problem at all. I remember what it's like to be new in town. If you need any more help or recommendations, just let me know.
Thanks. Actually, now that you mention it, do you know of any good parks around here?
Sure. There's a nice park just a few blocks from here called Central Park. It has a playground, some walking trails, and a pond with ducks. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoors.
That sounds perfect. I'll have to check it out. Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. Have a great day.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.